Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Over the weekend, I have been working on Valentine fillers to send to the distribution center here in Canada. These are my Valentine Vet fillers. Sharon from East Coast Stories and Denise over at D. Rogers have been really emphasizing the importance of making more fillers for the distribution centers. They volunteer every year, and I know when shoeboxes are brought to their tables that need a little something, it really is a help to have fillers. So I'm trying to step up my game. I have Valentine loot bags left over from my son's party at school. I don't know about you, but I always have a stash of small stuffed animals in my closet that I can go through when I'm building a box. Some of you may recognize the zebras. I bought these in bulk from Amazon back in 2020, and I've used them throughout the years. So the animals, loot bags, and ribbon I had already. I went and grabbed a dozen of these kits from Dollar Tree. They had pink and purple, green and blue. I'll put my toddler zebra unboxing from 2020 at the end of this video in case you want to check it out. One of the best parts about making fillers, there's no extra cost to send them. With our shoeboxes, there's about a $10 shipping fee, depending on what country you live in. So if you are on a tight budget, but you still want to help, this is a great option. So this is very simple. I did take the tweezer out of the kit, but put everything else in. I printed off a free-use Google picture of a vet using a stethoscope. Love the little hearts around her. I put these on leftover Valentine cards. I cut the card in half, and I had exactly 12 sides. Then I laminated them. So the child will have an image of a vet using the instrument that they have in their bag. Then I just tie it with some ribbon, and that's it. That's how I did my Valentine vet fillers. I'll do a pink and purple one here on camera, and then I'll finish the other 10. My plan is to label these for 2 to 4 age range, but maybe I should label them on the box 2 to 9. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, 2 to 4, or should I label them 2 to 9? This puppy is such a pretty shade of purple. I'm glad to finally be sending her off. I wish I could tie a pretty bow, but I can't. Trust me, I tried. I really tried hard, but I just decided to do a knot because my bows did not look pretty. And that's the pink and purple one. And then I just do the other 10 off of camera. And then I had 8 loot bags left over. These 8. So I just did some pencil bags. I had leftovers again from my son's Valentine party. I did not go out and buy anything extra. I just used what I had. So I put 5 pencils in each of these bags. A little red bouncy ball with some washi tape. Now this washi tape is easy to tear with your fingers, so you don't need scissors. And then a little memo book. And then 2 of these fun notebooks. Some stickers. And 2 pencil sharpeners, and then I put 2 Crayola markers in. Now the shoebox recipient that I heard from last year, he did say that he loved the markers in his box. So so I know that the kids really enjoy the markers. And then I'm just going to add one of these Happy Meal toys. Now I did put a couple more party favors here with the loot bags, just some little stuffed animals and little books to match the characters. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful, and I will have another video out soon.